Maraton Lađa on the Neretva river. The valley of the river Neretva occupies the central position in this area. This unique spectacle takes place between Dubrovnik and Međugorje, the race of all the timber-built pirates' vessels, so-called Lađas. The boats are about 8 meters long, 2.5 meters wide and 80 centimeters deep. For centuries, they have been used as water vehicles to transport people, livestock and produce, for wedding ceremonies as well as funerals. By modernization and improvement of the ways of life, the road communication had changed for the better. So the need for this craft disappeared or vanished, and they became forgotten, stranded or sent to the bottom. To drag them out of forgetfulness, the people of Neretva organized the first race of boats that was the first official marathon in 1988. Neretva's River Boatmen Union is the main organization which gathers all the boatsmen crews and organizes the marathon. Besides the Republic of Croatia, these boatmen took part in Brest Festival of the Sea in 2009 in France. They rowed to the other bank of the English Channel, La Manche, and they oared on the River Thames in London. They succeeded to row across the Adriatic Sea from Metković to the town of Termoli in Italy. Marathon is held every second Saturday in August on the river Neretve. The route from Metković to Ploče is 22.5 kilometers long. It has an international reputation because of many regular boat teams from Australia, Italy, Bosnia and Herzegovina and Serbia, which also participate in the marathon. There are 12 people together in the boat. 10 of them are rowers, one is a pilot or steerman, and the last is a drummer. 3 days before start, the starting position race is held in the town of Opuzen, which is 10 kilometers downstream from Metković. The winners are supposed to choose the best starting position in marathon. Women crews may also take part. The start is right under the bridge of Lučki most in Metković. Just at halfway of the race, near Opuzen, the boatmen's teams may change from 1 to 6 rowers of their crew, if they want to. After 15 kilometers of rowing, the path deviates from the main direction of the river to the tributary called Crna rijeka, or Black River, which is narrower, and there is less space or width for 2 parallel boats. You can see crowds of spectators and fans to cheer on their favorites all the way along the river, from their start to the finish. They can follow them from other vessels and ships, riding on the road along with the river or by rail alongside the river too. The winning post of marathon is the seaport of Ploče. On arriving to the end and after the official program, the casual, entertaining program follows till early morning hours.